delighted to have you join us. We would like to take this opportunity to welcome you to our project management learning video. Do you have any idea what project management is? If not, let us explain it to you. The process of leading a project from start to finish is referred to as project management and is led by a project manager. Project managers must forecast the unknown, devise a strategy to deal with the unexpected, carry out the plan with limited resources over which they have little control, and accept full responsibility for the outcomes. Projects are not meant to last forever, they have life cycles. Project management is divided into 5 phases. Initiation, in which the expectations are defined. Planning, in which major milestones and dates are established. Execution, during which project outputs are carried out. Monitoring and control, when modifications to the project's activities, resources and plans are made. And closure, which involves wrapping up all activities and delivering the finished product to the client. So as not to forget any important aspect of the project in the initiation and planning phases, we recommend you use the Project Canvas template for setting up the key project properties. It can help you to better define the purpose, scope, criteria, resources, outcomes, and other main factors. The Gantt chart provides a valuable and user-friendly tool for managing your project activities throughout all of the key milestones. Gantt charts are commonly used in project management and are the most popular and useful way of showing activities, tasks, or events displayed against time. Now that we have learned about the major aspects of project management such as key activities, the Canvas template, and other practical information, we can move to the last part of this video. Project management methodology or framework. Choosing a framework is one of the most important project management decisions you will make, since it determines how you structure your team and how you plan and monitor your projects. There are many different project management approaches. Let's look at the most common of these. Waterfall methodology. Waterfall methodology requires a plan that goes from one project phase to the next and only after each previous phase has been completed successfully. Waterfall methodology has 5 phases that include collecting and documenting stakeholder requirements, design, implementation, testing, and maintenance. Another methodology in project management is Agile methodology. Agile methodology differs from waterfall methodology as it is quicker and far more adaptable. The main difference is that waterfall methodology is a linear system of working that requires the team to complete each project phase before moving on to the next one, while Agile methodology encourages the team to work simultaneously on different phases of the project. Scrum methodology. Scrum framework is a project management system that relies on incremental development. The larger project is broken down into shorter mini-projects called sprints, which last for 2 to 4 weeks and have their own product outcome. Each repeated cycle of the process, or iteration, aims to build upon each sprint so as to focus on the most important features first and come out with potentially deliverable products at the closure of the project or at the end of each sprint. The critical path method. Another project management methodology is critical path method, which helps determine the longest series of tasks required to complete the project. The critical path method, CPM, is a technique where project managers and teams identify tasks that are necessary for project completion and determine scheduling flexibilities. A critical path in project management is the longest sequence of activities that must be finished on time in order for the entire project to be complete. The Kanban methodology. The Kanban methodology may be used by almost anybody to organize projects, as it allows you to visualize your work in order to reduce work in progress and move work from doing to done rapidly. They can do this by visualizing their flow of work, limit work in progress, WIP, and stop the process of starting and begin the process of finishing. Finally, we'll take a look at the Lean methodology. The Lean methodology focuses on removing waste from essential operations in order to constantly improve the value stream. The primary objective of the Lean process is to create results for stakeholders and customers by optimizing resources and creating an uninterrupted workflow based on near real-time demands. In addition, the approach seeks to minimize or eliminate all waste of resources, effort, and time by documenting each step in the project management process and then removing or reducing steps that do not create value or desired results.